Oh, from Kentucky with love. Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you so much, Tita Annabeth. What? Eggnog?
Pipit ko na! This is my favorite. You Annabeth?
Yes, Tita
Oh my
Annabeth.
gosh.
Say thank you to Tita
Thank you,
Annabeth.
Tita Annabeth. I love you. Napipit ko naman.
What else?
Oh, this one. I've been waiting for this.
Yeah. The danggit.
Oh,
and
danggit.
the danggit is at the back.
Oh, this one is yours.
That's
That
the
one,
squid.
This is danggit. Yeah, favorite.
Say thank you.
Thank you, Tita Annabeth. Oh, this is yours. Oh. Ang dami.
Oh, she gave a bunch.
Sister, the one I'm very excited for is oh, this is yours. Skyflakes.
Skyflakes. Thank you, Dad.
Wow. Wait, you asked a lot of cans ba? Wow.
No, I said just only enough that she can bring.
You sure this is a lot? Oh. Oh, this is 552 na. This is Argent. Oh. Oh, I can fit. What is this? Shamrock.
The shamrock is from Cebu. Thank you for the pasalubong, Dad. Tell Tita na that thank you for the pasalubong.
Pinala ko na. Thank you, Tita.
Super shaggy.
Langan, ano na? What is it called again? Eggnog.
Yeah, eggnog.
You know, I used a lot of money to get the big one last time. When I was in the Philippines. Like 50 pesos.
Stick O. I know you like stick O too.
Stick O. You finished all the stick O when I was sick last time.
Beef, and what is this?
No, it ruined my hair, but it was worth it. I came out. I smell very good. People, there was one neighbor that is by Chismosa. She told me, "Oh, you smell so good. What did you use?" I said, "Sir." I miss this so much. When I open it, the smell, sir.
What will you tell Tita
Thank you,
Annabeth?
Tita Annabeth. Favorite ko na. I'm gonna take one, put it in a Ziploc, and I'm gonna hide it. Why? It's sir. This is like your backup plan when you go to the bathroom and
Wash the clothes.
No, wash your body.
No, you're not supposed to use
Yeah, I
that.
know, but in the Philippines, I didn't have any. I forgot to buy I forgot to check and buy some things to wash my body. I use her. When I'm done also using the bathroom, like go poo, I use her also last time because there's no soap.
Yeah, but you're supposed to wash that with the clothes.
I know. But I'm gonna save some. See, I'm gonna probably save one or two. Smell it.
Yeah, smells good.
Yeah, I'm gonna save this one. I'm gonna use this next week.
To wash the laundry.
No. Probably.